We divide 890 by 5 in long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So now we put down this 9 and it is 39. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 4. So now we put down this 0 and it is 40. So 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 890 divided by 5 is 178. So this much for today and thanks for watching.